Top 10 fruits your body will thank you for eating. Number 10, lemon. More than just a source of vitamin C, its citric acid promotes bile production, helping to improve digestion and liver function. Number 9, apple. Its greatest benefit lies in the peel. It contains pectin, a prebiotic fiber that nourishes the gut microbiota and strengthens the body's defenses. Number 8, papaya. Rich in papain, an enzyme that facilitates protein digestion, improves nutrient absorption, and helps prevent stomach heaviness. Number 7, watermelon. With 92% water and a high citrulline content, it promotes hydration, improves circulation, and contributes to muscle recovery. Number 6, pineapple. It contains bromelain, a set of enzymes with anti-inflammatory properties that help relieve joint discomfort and promote tissue recovery. Number 5, avocado. Its oleic acid, the same healthy fat found in olive oil, helps protect the heart and maintain healthy cholesterol levels. Number 4, plantain or banana. It is an excellent source of potassium, an essential mineral for muscle function, the nervous system, and heart rhythm. Number 3, kiwi. It stands out for providing compounds that promote serotonin production, helping to improve sleep quality. Number 2, pomegranate. Its seeds are rich in punicalagins, antioxidants that protect cells against damage caused by free radicals. Number 1, blueberries. Thanks to their anthocyanins, they help protect neurons and support memory and brain health. These fruits don't just grow anywhere. They're nature's rarest secrets. And the last one, it looks like it belongs in a science fiction movie. Number 5, Monstera deliciosa. This fruit tastes like pineapple and banana alanone. But it's also one of the most dangerous fruits in the world, and it's native to Central and South America. If you eat it before it's ripe, you could seriously regret it. That's because it's packed with tiny needle-like crystals that can burn your throat and cause intense pain. It can take a full year to ripen. You'll only know it's safe when the green scales start falling off, revealing a sweet, creamy flesh inside. Number 4, Ceylon gooseberry. Purple, glossy, and filled with electric green pulp. This fruit grows wild in Sri Lanka and tastes like sour grape meets lemon. It's rarely cultivated and packed with antioxidants, a favorite for wild fruit foragers. Number 3, jelly palm fruit. Ever seen a palm tree that grows apricot-sized fruits? These yellow-orange fruits are sticky, sweet, and taste like pineapple mixed with banana. Mostly found in South America, they're often turned into wine or jelly. Number 2, ice cream bean. Looks like a giant green pod, but open it up and inside, fluffy white fruit that tastes like vanilla ice cream. Native to Central and South America, it grows on trees and is a favorite jungle snack. Number 1, non-fruit looks like a lumpy potato, smells like strong cheese, and somehow people drink it as juice. It's one of the most loved and hated fruits on Earth. Grown across Polynesia, this fruit is famous in traditional medicine. It's believed to boost immunity and digestion. Would you try number 1 or run from it? Comment your pick.